I can't find it. It doesn't seem to be on any of these stations.
Keep looking.
Oh, you're going too slow. Let me take the wheel.
It's too fast. How could you even tell what's on?
I can tell.
There it is. Go back.
Back.
Too late. I'm in the 40s. Gotta go around the horn. It's faster.
That's it. Now, Ed.
Hello, baby Raiden.
Happy birthday, Raiden.
Happy birthday, Raiden. More kulitan with you. Sana lumaki kang hindi katulad ng daddy mo. De joke lang. Happy birthday. Lagi tayong magkukulitan pag lumaki ka lalo. Tapos basketball, laro kahit. I'll always be your favorite monkey clown, Tito Nino. Happy birthday.
I've been living on the inside, stuck between an old life.
Ay, happy birthday, baby. Love you, baby. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lumaki kang maging mabuting bata at good health ka palagi pa, baby. At love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Lord, today we thank you for the gift of life for everyone around us. And especially we thank you, Lord, for the gift of life you have given to Raiden Club.
And it goes like na 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 na. Yeah, 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 yeah. Na 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 na. It's a brand new day.
It's really a long way pa ahead. 1 year old pa lang ito. Ang number one message ko kay Cheng and kay Chab is to really be more patient. Yung mga sacrifice na to ngayon ay patikim pa lang to eh. Just focus and try to really do the best para kay Raiden.
Live like there's nothing to lose. This is what I'm living, what I'm living for.
We always pray for your good health. Nawa lumaki kang matalino, God-fearing. And saludo naman ako kay Chen especially and kay Kuya with all the works. Good job, mga anak.
It's what I'm living for. Na na na. Yeah, 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 yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Well, ang message ko kay Raiden, although masyadong bata pa siya para maintindihan to, I hope paglaki mo ay maging mabuting tao just like sa daddy mo. Raiden, happy birthday. Paglaki mo kita mo rin ito. Bye-bye.
This is what I'm living, what I'm living for.
Raiden, sa 13 pa talaga yung birthday mo pero celebrate natin ngayon. Sana lumaki kang pinagpala tulad ng iyong mommy at ni daddy. Sana lumaki ka ng hindi masyadong maraming sakit kasi hindi naman may iwasan nun. Malakas at napakabait.
It's what I'm living for.